Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate bold text on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here's of course you just have to open the settings applications, and then in the settings page you just have to go to this display options. And now in this display, scroll it down again until you'll find here at the bottom, which is display size and text. Tap on it. To activate the bold font or bold text, you just have to scroll it down again until you'll find here the bold text. And if you want to activate it, you just have to tap on the button beside the bold text. Here I'm gonna tap on it, and it will be look like this, yeah guys. You just have to go back because it will save. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.